Imagine waking up, putting on a headset, and instantly stepping into a world where anything is possible. You can work, play, and even socialize, all without ever leaving your home. This is the promise of the Metaverse, a fully immersive digital universe. But as technology advances, one big question remains. Will the Metaverse replace real life? Or will it always remain just a virtual escape? Welcome to Wild Thinks. Some believe the answer is yes. As VR and AI evolve, virtual experiences may soon feel indistinguishable from reality. You could attend meetings in digital offices, teleport to concerts, and even form relationships, all in a world where you control everything. The digital economy is already booming, with people buying virtual land, NFT art, and even earning full-time incomes inside the Metaverse. For many, a customizable digital existence might seem more appealing than real life. But can it truly replace reality? Not so fast. No matter how advanced the Metaverse gets, humans are biological beings. We need sunlight, movement, and real human touch to stay mentally and physically healthy. A virtual hug is not the same as a real one, and no technology can replicate the feeling of fresh air or the warmth of human connection. Plus, not everyone will have access to high-end VR gear, creating a divide between those who can afford to live digitally and those stuck in reality. And here's a major problem. Who will run the real world? If too many people escape into the Metaverse, what happens to food production, healthcare, and the infrastructure that keeps society functioning? The truth is, the Metaverse is unlikely to replace reality, but it will change it forever. Instead of an all-or-nothing future, we're heading toward a hybrid world where augmented reality enhances our daily lives. Smart cities integrate virtual spaces and work. Entertainment and social interactions become a seamless mix of both worlds. The question isn't whether the Metaverse will replace real life. It's whether we can find the right balance between the digital and the physical. What do you think? Would you choose to live entirely in the Metaverse? Or is real life irreplaceable? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more valuable content.